Hello everyone, my name is Neeraj Joshi. I'm an HIT alumni. I completed my bachelor's in information technology from HIT. Since then, I have worked with quite a few big and small organizations like Spurs, IBM, Aon Hewitt, Prometric, HCL Technologies, and currently I'm working with Microsoft. It's been 3 years since I'm working with Microsoft as a data architect and technical program manager here at Redmond, Washington. That is also the headquarters of Microsoft in the United States. I am very thankful and grateful to my college and teachers at HIT. They have always pushed me to do my best and also helped me to learn the skills that were needed to succeed both academically and professionally.
Hi everyone, my name is Saurabh Bhatt and I'm an HIT alumni. I pursued my BCA from HIT. Right now I'm in Chicago, America, and I'm working with Saxoft INC. So one thing which I want to share with that, whatever I'm doing right now and whatever technologies I'm working on right now, the foundation of that is those 3 years which I spent in HIT that basically laid the foundation where I am right now today. So the kind of guidance I get there and the kind of attention from teachers and the way teachers just spend time with each and every student, that basically helped us to shape our career, our future, and the overall personality. So if you are already pursuing any degree with HIT or you are thinking of that, just be there, do your hard work, listen to your teachers, be in their guidance, and you will definitely get succeed. Thank you, all the best.
Hello everyone, I'm Simranjit Singh Parhar, working as an assistant front office manager at Hilton Seattle in United States of America. Finishing your school and getting admission in a college, university is the initial step to finding your future. It gives you an opportunity to leave your house for the first time and to find out that you have skills to make it into the real world. HIT served as that platform in my life. Our remarkable teachers, in my words, I will say they are my mentors. They helped me in shaping and developing my skills for the better. I can proudly say that Himalayan Institute of Technology is the foundation stone which helped me in building a strong career in a hospitality industry. I also want to thank you everyone from HIT, from management, my faculties, and all other staff at HIT who bring that best out of me in those 3 years of my degree course. Also, I want to wish a good luck to everyone who will be a part of HIT in the near future. I would say if you really want to do something in your life, if you really have a zeal to learn, if you really have a zeal to achieve your goals in your life, HIT is the best place to start. I wish you luck and thank you.
Namaste friends, I am Shivali Vanga, working as Chief Manager with State Bank of India. I basically belongs to Sobato, Himachal Pradesh, and I have done my MSc from HIT Dehradun. Today, I just want to share my experience of HIT with all of you. As I have done my plus 2 and my BSc from the medical background, in the in starting I was slightly scared, but I am really thankful to all my faculty members in HIT because they motivate me, they groom me, and they give me extra classes. I was not only the topper of my institute, but I topped in the university. And because of their hard work, I'm here. And I got selected in State Bank and 3 more banks as probationer, and that too without any coaching and training, because Himalayan Institute of Technology helped me in my grooming. So I will be always thankful to them, and whosoever is pursuing courses from there, I would like to give my best wishes to them. I just wanted to see you all in the top position in various organizations in the coming future, and hopefully I would be seeing your experience sharing video like me in coming future. So friends, just hard work, listen to your teachers, respect them, and just focus on your future. So Thank you for listening me, and have faith in God, have faith in hard work. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, my name is Akshita Soni. I pursued Bachelor's of Science in Information Technology from Himalayan Institute of Technology. Recently, I have been placed in Amazon, the world's largest IT company. I would like to give all the credit to my faculty who has been very supportive throughout these years. HIT provides a healthy environment for building one's personality and career. The new campus located in Maldevta provides a student with a healthy and peaceful lifestyle. Talking about the extracurricular activities, HIT organizes events like Annual Fest and Sports Fest. Talking about my personal experience here, I was pretty shy at the starting, but the people here will change your life forever in a better way. I have so many memories here which I will always treasure in my heart forever. HIT has been providing excellence from last 20 years. Thank you HIT for everything.
Good evening everyone. My name is Ankit Kalia. I am from New Delhi. I am a chef by profession. Currently I am working with Electrolux as a corporate chef. I always wanted to be a chef since my childhood. I was 12 years old. I used to be in the kitchen with my mom. So after my schooling, I got the opportunity to join Himalayan Institute of Technology in hotel management profession at Dehradun. There is many reasons to join Himalayan Institute of Technology because of their well-equipped library, well-equipped labs, which helps to enhance my hand skill in the profession, and they basically describe students what the requirement of the industry and the current scenario in the market. The faculty of that institute was amazing. They are still so old in the industry, as well as they are working past 10 years in the same institute. After completing my graduation from Himalayan Institute of Technology, I got the opportunity to join ITC Hotel Moria, New Delhi. I joined there as a commis and I started my culinary career from there only. Afterwards, I worked in many 5-star properties such as the Westin, Taj, Hilton, and Oberoi. And in Oberoi, I got the opportunity to mark my name in the Asia's Book of Record while making in Asia's largest brownie. Then I joined Andaz by Hayat, New Delhi, and there I got opportunity to work with Chef Gordon Galia. He is one of the best pastry chef, and he himself awarded as a best pastry chef in 2017. And now I am working as a corporate chef in Electrolux. So this is all about me. I wish best of luck for the student. Those are passionate for this industry. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Akash Joshi. I'm SAP ABAP consultant, having work exposure of 9 years. Right now I'm working for Soprasteria as a senior system analyst, and I got placed in Wipro Technologies, where I got several opportunities. I got chance to work with international clients like Allergan, Mylan, and Arriva, Levi's, and I got international exposure as well. Got chance to visit France, and there again got tremendous opportunities. So I would like to thank HIT and their faculty members for providing such a wonderful platform, which helped me in growing professionally as well as technically. So thank you HIT, thank you faculty members.
Achievements, applause, objective and thoughts. That is what I gained from Himalayan Institute of Technology, Dehradun. HIT gave me a pathway that I will cherish always. Hello everyone, I am Mushtaba Kazim and I did my hotel management from Himalayan Institute of Technology, Dehradun. Presently, I am working as a food and beverage manager in one of the most beautiful resorts of NCR, that is JP Greens Golf and Spa Resort, Greater Noida. I started my career with Taj Mansingh Hotel, New Delhi. After completion of years, I was associated with most esteemed organizations like Hyatt Regency as well as the Leela Ambience Hotel, Gurugram. From inspiring words of our respected principal ma'am to sweet scolding of our beloved teacher, my life in HIT was and will be the best experience what I can ever get from my life. Thank you HIT and family for being the part of my life. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
To all of you, my name is Virendra Prasad Bhatt. I am ex-student of Himalayan Institute of Technology. I have done my BSc in IT from Himalayan Institute of Technology. Then I got job in different MNCs in Delhi, that is IBM and KDK Infotech, Intel, etc. as a software engineer. Then I came back in Nepal. Right now, I am working here as assistant professor in Far Western University of Nepal. Today, where I am, the credit goes to Himalayan Institute of Technology because they groom my career. They always support me, they always help me. And I'm really thankful to our principal ma'am at that time, Archana Jasola ma'am, Sudhir Baroda sir, Anshul Goyal sir, and our coordinator Anubhana Thani ma'am. I am really thankful to all the staff member of Himalayan Institute of Technology. Thanks a lot.
Hello, my name is Ankit Chauhan and I am from Dehradun, India. Right now, I am in Kuwait City, working with Al Hamra Hotel, Kuwait. I have done my Bachelor's of Hotel Management from Himalayan Institute of Technology, Dehradun, which is the best college in our state, in our city. I have started my career from the Oberoi Rajula, Jaipur. I worked there for around 1 year. Then I came here in Kuwait. So right now I'm here. Everything is going good. Best of luck to everyone.
Hello friends, my name is Harish Bhatt. I have completed my BCA from HIT Dehradun. Currently I am working in Wipro as a technical lead. I am leading a team of 20-25 people. We provide application development and maintenance services to a manufacturing line of one of our esteemed customer. I thank my teachers in HIT for their valuable guidance, without which I would not have reached here. For my friends who are yet to complete their graduation, I will say work hard, learn new technologies every day, and future will be yours. Have a wonderful future ahead. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Girish Chandra Bhatt. Being a student of Himalayan Institute of Technology, it was a proud and real experience for me. I have completed my hotel management. I would like to take an opportunity to talk more about this institute. This is the best institute in Dehradun for the study, where you can develop your personality and you can make your future bright in any industry. Because of best faculty, I could work many 5-star hotels such as Hilton, 1859, Impresario and many hotels. Now I am working with Maharaja Express as a food and beverage manager since 2016. This is a world luxury chain which has 2 restaurants, 2 bars and 7-star service standards. I really thankful for each and everyone who made my career bright in Himalayan Institute of Technology. Thank you so much.
Hello HIT, hello everyone, myself Bharti Sharma and I'm working with EXL Services Private Limited. I'm so grateful that I'm a part of HIT. Thank you HIT to always supporting us, always guiding us. Thank you everyone, thank you Sudhir sir, bye bye, have a nice day.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashika Kothari. Currently I'm working with Axis Bank as an assistant manager. I've started my professional career from ICICI Prudential Life Insurance, which was a placement through HIT, Himalayan Institute of Technology. About the institute, guys, I would like to say that it's a very beautiful place. The teachers, the gurus over there are so helpful and so knowledgeable. They have helped me a lot in my life, not in terms of just the bookish knowledge, but the lessons they have taught me have really helped in my real life, my professional life. Guys, I would like to congratulate each and every one of you since you are about to start your journey with HIT. Just a small tip, guys. College life is all about enjoying, right? So enjoy, make good friends, make memories, but don't forget to study hard, since this time will be the base for your career, right? So my heartiest congratulations to all of you, and I hope your journey is as interesting as joyful as mine, and enjoy your journey from here. Thank you guys.
Hello everyone, this is Anamika Singh. As you all know that I had been part of this institution which taught me a lot. At present I am working with Qatar Airways as a terminal standard officer, and the journey to this position was not that easy. It was full of struggle and difficulties, but because of the knowledge and guidance which I have received from my institute and from my teacher, helped me a lot to excel, and I was able to overcome all kind of the challenges. And the practical knowledge and practical training which I received from the institute had given me a confidence, and I was able to create a place in the hospitality industry. And from there I moved to Doha. I'm here and in front of you working with Qatar Airways, still working with Qatar Airways during this COVID time also. I just want to say one thing. Whatever I am today, it is all because of my teacher, and especially HIT.